blaming each other has become a way of life for us today. If something goes wrong, somebody has to be responsible for it. We are never responsible. I don't understand this whole concept. It does not make us stronger to say we were not wrong. It does not make us better human beings to claim it was not my fault. In acceptance, in fact, lies humility, lies great strength. Those that have the courage to accept they have gone wrong are the ones who are strong human beings. Those who throw allegations and blames at others are the weak human beings. We just think the other way around, actually. And when I look around, there is a constant battle around me. People are all wanting to throw, like I said, the allegation for what has happened on other people to the extent which is unimaginable. Recently, a child who is exceptionally good in exams performed very poorly, very, very poorly. I get a message from the mother saying, Baba is so unfair. He has been so bad to my child. My child didn't do well. Oh my God. Is Baba responsible that your child has not done well? The child could have not performed well on a particular day. The child may have made a mistake. But no, Baba is responsible. He's unfair to my child. Look at another scenario here. A lady who's having a cup of tea, and by chance she drops that cup of tea. The first statement is, my husband can never change. And you look at her and think, she was having a cup of tea, she dropped the cup of tea, where does the husband come in between? So I asked, what did the husband do? She says, oh, I told him to come back on time. I'm having the second cup of tea because he has not reached here. If he had come, I would have not had the second cup of tea, it wouldn't have dropped, and all this would have got saved. Can you blame, just imagine the extent to which we can blame people. We are blaming God for what is wrong in our life. We are blaming people for what is not okay with us. We are not ready to take ownership. That word accountability is not there in our dictionaries. Come on. Stop blaming people for mistakes. Start accepting if you have gone wrong. It is not, we can all be wrong. There is nobody who's been created to be completely right. If there was one such person, he would be God himself. And God himself says, when I take birth in this world, even I make mistakes. Even I live like a human being. You just don't have to be perfect. So when something good happens, we say, I have done it. When something bad happens, you are responsible for it. We're only waiting to shoulder the blame on somebody else. And what do we do then? We start making excuses one after another because we know somewhere in our heart we are wrong. So which is the only way of countering it is to start making excuses. Give this reason and that reason and that reason. And people around you are wise. They are not stupid. They know you're making excuses for a mistake that is yours. Isn't it nicer to just say, I'm sorry? Trust me, it makes you big when you say sorry. It does not make you small when you say sorry. This word sorry is beautiful. Just saying sorry elevates you towards godliness. And blaming others makes you completely, I'm sorry, but lowly. Because you don't even have the strength inside you to say, yes, it was my mistake. So please start accepting because it will make you stronger. Most importantly, it will make you a better person. When I realize my mistakes, I work on those mistakes, I better those mistakes, and when I have the courage to accept a mistake, it just makes me so much more God connected because I have it in me to say, yes, I was wrong. So don't blame people, don't look for a shoulder to put your weight on, take it upon yourself, show some courage, show some strength and make yourself a better human being. It is so important. Small things in life which we don't look at or work on, but if we do, slowly, eventually, you will rise to be beautiful human beings whom Baba will also willingly accept when the time comes. We will be faultless because we have learnt through our mistakes to grow and reach that stage. So learn to be take responsibility, learn to take accountability of situations, and live in strength, not in weakness. Om Sai Ram.
Om Sai, Om Sai, Om Sai, Om Sai, Om Sai, Mere Sai, Om Sai.